So I'm just out in the garage now. What I do is I line up my points. So with my roller, I'm going to that point, like so. Whooshka. That's one. I'm just checking that. Put my pencil away out of my mouth. I'm lining up my points with my roller, like that. Okay, doesn't want to break. We'll break the sucker. Sometimes you can tell if it doesn't want to break, so break it another way. Line up your roller to your mark, like so. Run it through. And you're laughing. Okay, I'll just find my sanding block and I'll come back to you.